This product has more than 50 inquiries in our Alibaba store every day, with a 100% increase in demand compared with the previous year. Many customers have bought them many times. It is a really popular product. Now, let's give a look.
Hello everyone, the product to be introduced today is Alarm 12-volt one-way push-start button alarm. The item number is C-A-18. The accessory for a set including the host, manual, the coils, the stop cable, the push start button, the function cable, and 2 RFID keys. We also sell other functions of car alarms. If you need it, please feel free to contact me and I will send you a catalog.